Hi, I'm Darlene.
And I'm Marty.
So during the winter when we were in Mexico, we enjoyed a lot of the local foods, and Marty actually became very good at making certain foods. So, what are you going to show us today? What are you going to teach us?
I'll show you my version, my favorite way of making Pico De Gallo. A little chunky, a little spicy, but it's very good.
Okay, so this is a little different than the normal videos that we do, but what the heck, let's give it a shot. Woohoo!
So you need some ingredients. A friend gave us some fresh garden tomatoes, which motivated me to do this. A lime, jalapeno, a red onion, garlic, and salt, and maybe a little bit of pepper. In my mind, the most important thing to begin with is a sharp knife. If you don't have a sharp knife, you won't be cutting tomatoes, you'll be kind of squishing tomatoes. So always work with a sharp knife. And here we go. Notice how it just slides through. Okay. So I like to leave my tomatoes a little chunky. It just works better for me. I find if you make them too small, when they kind of render down with the lime juice, that there's just not much left. So leave them a little chunky. I use a red onion, and again, I'm gonna suggest, at least the way I like them, is a little finer. I'm not a big raw onion fan, so I prefer the tomato taste and go for chunked up tiny onions.
Don't cut your fingers off. We don't want any blood in there.
A little extra protein, just to round out the flavors. There, so I've got some diced onion. It's about, I'd say this would be about 3 to 4 normal sized tomatoes, and this is about a cup of diced onion. Put that in there, and the next thing to go in is garlic. You don't have to bother with a garlic press. If you just squish them like that, they come right out. Like so. Yep. Mince this garlic up so it's nice and fine. We have a little jalapeno. Different ways to do it. I just like to kind of pull the center bit out of it. So you could also do this with a knife.
Is this a spicy hot one?
They're not too hot. This is a matter of taste. A lot of people love them and some people don't. I kind of treat them with respect because they can heat it up pretty good. Go. One jalapeno. And finally, the juice of one lime over top of everything. Give it a good dose of salt. A little bit of pepper. Mix it all up.
Is that it? Final product?
That's pretty much it. I'm going to put it into a serving bowl and try it out.
All right.
Well, let's give this a try. I like mine chunky, like I said.
Yummy, yummy?
Very good. Give it a try. I think the tomatoes in Mexico are the best in the world. And super easy to do, and it tastes good. Mucho gracias.
Adios! Like Marty said, he likes his a little bit spicy. If you don't like it as spicy, don't add the jalapeno. Use a white onion instead of red onion. But basically just play around with the recipe until it's to your liking. And yes, we forgot the cilantro. We added that after. So don't forget to add the cilantro too.